Hello everyone to a new episode of Coding C. Today we'll make a health system for the character and the enemy. First, we'll use the Call of Duty enemy type that as soon as he spawned or exists in the world, he will follow the player, as you can see. Because we'll make like a Call of Duty game for now. So let's get started. First, we go down here, we right click, we go to user interface, widget blueprint. And we name it whatever you want. I will name it HUD. Now it's loading. We will not make anything extreme. For now we'll make something basic, like a progress bar. Like this. A progress bar will be like the health system in... Okay, I don't know what game it is. This is the percent, as you can see. It will go, and this is the color it will be. I can change it to purple, red, green, but for now we'll make it to green. This type of green, and this will be another color. But what color will this be? Let's keep it the same for now. And now let's go to blend. We create binding, and this will say the health of the character, but the character still doesn't have health. So we go to our main character, first person blueprint, and we open it up. As you can see, it already has some blueprints made up. So we go down here, or first we go up there, we take this over here, and we type sequence. Basically what it does is it gives more input. Like instead of connected to 1, it can connect to 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can remove them. So let's remove all of them except 1, and let's go here and type create widget, and we select the widget and we name it HUD, and we go to return value and we add to viewport, and we'll be able to see it in our viewport, but it will not have health because we did not set it to have health. So let's put this to like 0.5. It will go halfway. So now we'll need to make the health system. We go to the variables and we add a new one, call it health, and we'll need to make it the same kind as this one, which is float, and we set a number to it. Let's make it 100, and now we drag this and type cast to first person character. We go to the objects and type get player character, and we just put the get health, and we do not connect this like this. First we divide it by the number that we want it to be as final, like the full health number, and the full health will be 100, and now we add it and we finished. The health is full, and if I change the variable and make it, let's make it 35. Now let's try to start it, and you can see it's working perfectly. But now we need to be able to get hit by the enemy and to hurt the enemy too. So let's make it full again, and let's go down here and let's right click and type event damage, event any damage, and okay, I don't remember the rest. I guess we'll just take we set the health, not get it, set it, and we take the damage or low. First we take the health and we divide it by the damage. And let's go to the enemy again. We'll take the Call of Duty enemy. Let's change the speed because we can. Let's make it 300. Okay, we make the same thing. We copy and paste in this enemy, but as you can see, the enemy doesn't have the variables, so we need to make it again. We type health and we make it a float again. Okay, and now let's make it 20. And we still can't damage each other. The player can't damage the enemy. And now we'll make the enemy damage the player first, then we'll make the player damage the enemy, because it's basically the same thing. But let's change this one to a better one. Let's go to the other enemy. Oh no, it's over here. And let's set it like this. Copy, paste. And the objects get player character. And we're finished. It's the same, no, we're not finished. It's the same as before, but it's easier to make the damage. On success, apply damage. And what will be the damage actor? It will be the player. And the amount of damage, let's make it 5. Okay. And now he will come at me and he will wait, why is it not damaging the player? Damage causer will be self. Okay, I have no idea why it's like this. Let's try this again. Okay, it's take the health, but not in the right way. The damage actor will be the player character. If true. Let's change the damage to 50. Okay, now let's try it. Why is this not damaging the player? Let's change the capsule because we don't want the player to be that large. Let's make it 35. Okay, I have an idea. Let's go over here, let's copy and paste it. This will be the new enemy, but we'll change some stuff of it. Let's put a cube. Okay, and now it will not be working on this, or no, let's just be working on this, but it will be better. Where's the health? Okay, anyway, okay guys, I have an idea. It will not work with this type of an enemy, with the first one. It doesn't work. So let's take this from it and put it over here, and let's make a new variable, a health variable again. Okay, this will follow the player if he sees it, but we need to make it look at the player as soon as it starts. So we'll make it like this in the event tick. We'll type cast to first person character. Okay, now we make guest player character, and now we need to make the location or the rotation of the enemy look at the character always. So let's type look, no, not look, find look at rotation. Okay, the start will be self get actor location, and now we need to get the player location. Oh no, I typed get player, get location. Okay, get actor location. And now we set the rotation like this. We just take this node and type set rotation, set actor rotation. Okay, and now I guess it's finished. Let's remove the old one, let's put the new one, and as you can see, he starts and he looks at the character. We don't want it to be like that, and we did not set the damage still. So let's go over here, we type apply damage. Let's make it 10 for now, and the damage actor will be the player character. Okay, it's normal. Okay, it's a little bit glitchy, but it's okay, it can still work. So it can damage the player and it can get damaged, but we can make it die yet. So let's make it able to die like this, or let's make it the player first. There is two things you can do so the player died. The first one will restart the level immediately, and the second one will be to destroy the character. So let's make the first one. Let's make it if it was equal, less or equal to 0. Okay, and branch, or you can set type if and it will choose it automatically. If it was true, it will it be destroying, or let's make it destroy. destroy actor. Okay, now it will destroy the actor when the player's health is very low. I'll go to it, or he will go to me faster. Come on, come on. Okay, now I can't move, I'm just stuck like this. And the second one, the better one, will be like this. First we take the name of the level we want it to be reset to, and we go to the player character, and we open a level. We took the name, and if the player died, he will go to the level name. And as you can see, I'm about to die. It's restarted. Okay, the player can die. Now let's make the enemy die. And so let's make it. First let's make the rotation better, because I said it was not exactly like it's supposed to be. So let's right click over here, split bin, split struct bin. Let's make the Z, so he can only look at us like this. Let's reset it. Okay, and now he will not look. It will not look up, only at the player always. It has a little glitches sometimes if there was a lot, but it works perfectly most of the time. And I don't think we'll have the glitches, so it's okay for now. And now we need to kill the enemy. Let's make it get destroyed if the health was too low. Let's go to the player character. Let's put this into the enemy. Let's destroy this first. Okay, let's destroy actor, but it can still not be damaged. So the enemy get damaged, we need to go over here, blueprint, and we go to the projectile that the player character throws. And this is the event that it hits. So let's use it to sequence, and we apply the damage. Apply damage to the character that hits. Let's make it 10. I will fix this projectile later, but it's the basics, so it will be like this, and you will know what I mean. Okay, I think I made a mistake, because the enemy just died in one hit. Let's go to the enemy. Is it supposed to be up here? Okay. The enemy health is 0. This was the glitch. Okay, as you can see, he can die and the player can die. And yeah, that's all for now. Wait, okay, it can't damage the player character, so it doesn't have that much glitches, but it's okay. And that's all for now. I hope you like this episode. Like and subscribe for more, and see you next time.